So Pulse is our new product that's going to come out to enable you to do all sorts of clever things with text, and you're going to be able to run it in Excel, you're going to be able to run it in Google Sheets, you're going to be able to access the APIs. And I'm just going to highlight a single new addition that we've added to it, and this is Summarise. So I've got a data file here, which is the data I collected about people's forecasts of artificial intelligence in the research industry. So I've selected the open-ended question here. The question was, describe the impact you think AI will have on the insights and research over the next 18 months. I go and click Summarise. It confirms that I've selected the right column. And I've got lots of choices here. I could get a one-page summary, an executive summary. It could suggest 1 or 3 tweets. But the one that I found that I really go back to time and time again as we're developing this tool is the 5-point summary. So I've clicked on the 5-point summary. It's going to go away and do some analysis. We are still in the beta mode, so it'll probably run a little bit faster once we're into the live version. And here it is. Here's the result. It looks like it's cost us about 4 cents, 4 American cents, so pretty marginal cost. And it says the 5 key points in those open ends, and there's about 140 of them. Efficiency and speed gains become mainstream. Respondents expect AI to automate the grunt work, coding, cleaning, drafting, etc. They expect it to go from pilots to the core workflows, and they expect that to be uneven but accelerating. So moving away from the light stuff to compulsory integrated. They expect to see the workforce reshaped, fewer junior roles, higher bar for expertise, lots of comments about headcount reduction, entry level, what the coding role is going to be like, and so on. The 4th bullet point, method shift, quality risks, synthetic data rises, human oversight critical. So there are all sorts of concerns about trust, bias, hallucinations, grouped together as one of these concerns. And the 5th bullet point there, market disruption and margin pressure intensify. So clients are going to insource more with AI, expect lower prices, faster delivery. They're going to be sending out fewer briefs. They're going to be squeezing agencies. Some optimism and some pessimism. What I love about this 5 points is I use it first. So we're still experimenting with it. We expect to launch Pulse in about a week's time. But this is a really useful tool for giving me a first view of what's in the data, suggesting to me some different routes I might take. And I'm looking forward to sharing this new tool with you really soon.